Today we're going to fix the problem of an external drive not appearing in Finder on a Mac. Hi everyone and welcome to Pal to Tech. So right now I've got an external SSD, which I call Edit SSD 6, connected directly to this Mac using a correct Thunderbolt cable and so forth. I mean, have a look at this right here. The light on the SSD is on. It is obviously connected to the Mac. However, it does not appear in the sidebar. Here's how you fix it. Go into Finder, Settings, and have a look at this. Look at external disks. It's not a check mark. It's a line. That doesn't make sense. A line going through it. All you have to do is check it, just like this. Boom. As soon as you do that, your connected SSDs and other drives will appear. What the heck causes this to happen? I'll tell you. If you have a connected drive right here in your sidebar, and for whatever reason you accidentally, or you're just not paying attention, and you happen to click on it, and then you just accidentally jiggle it off the thing, like that. The official technical name for that is jiggle it off the thing. Well, if you do that, then it's gone, right? Because I can take this out, nothing happens, see? I can plug it back in, and it does not appear in the sidebar. Again, to fix it, Finder, Settings, and now you have that little line again, which we can fix. Watch this, 3, 2, 1, boom. So try this out. It may be the simplest and best way to fix the problem. However, if it does not, then there's a couple other things that you can try. First, as I said, go back into Finder and make sure that you have checked both hard disks and external disks. If you still don't see your SSD in Finder, then I would make sure that you are connecting your hard drive directly to your Mac. Do not connect it into a hub and then the hub into the Mac. Try connecting it directly into the Mac. If that doesn't work, on the keyboard, press Command Spacebar and type in disk, and you'll see disk utility right there. Go ahead and hit return. And you may see your drive appear here. And if you do, that's great. And if you need to get to it quickly, you can right-click it and select Show in Finder. And there you go. There's the drive right there. You could also try right-clicking it and unmounting it, and then mount it again and see if that solves the problem. If it does not, then you could try running First Aid on it. Click on the disk, make sure it's mounted, then click on First Aid. It'll run First Aid on the drive. When it's finished, click Done. Once you've done that, go back to Finder and see if you can see it there. Now, there's one other thing that I recommend everyone try if they're having problems with anything connected to their computers, and that is check your cable. You would be shocked at what a difference the USB cable makes, okay, when you swap it out. I've got a great video on understanding USB cables, and I'll leave a link to it down below in the description. A lot of USB cables can look exactly alike, but be very different. And so that can go a long way towards solving this problem. And finally, if you don't have an Apple Silicon Mac, but rather an Intel Mac, you could try resetting your NIV RAM. I'm not going to go through how to do that here because everyone has a different type of Mac, and I don't want to be responsible for messing stuff up for you. However, I will link to the exact official Apple article that will walk you through how to do it. Remember, Intel-based Macs only. Once you do that, that could be the final key that gets your drive to appear. But I would do that at the end. Try all of the other steps that I mentioned in the video first. Well, that's it for today. Be sure to give the video the like and subscribe if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.